I tried a new design for a plastic mesh bag and it turned out amazing. I needed to use a hook and a 4mm cell plastic canvas. I started by inserting the hook in the first corner cell. Then I grabbed my polypropylene cord and pull it out. Now I need to skip one cell and in a third one, again I insert the hook. Then I grab the cord and thread it through the cell and through the loop I made. Now I'm going back and insert the hook in the first cell. Grab the cord and thread it through canvas. And again I skip one cell and in a third one I insert the hook, grab the cord and thread it through the big loop I just made and then the small one that was left on the hook. So I will keep repeating these steps until I reach the edge of the canvas and that's the pattern I should get. My first row is ready and I'm cutting the cord. For the second row, I'm going back at the beginning of the canvas and insert the hook in the common cell between first and second row. I pulled out the cord making a loop and again I skip one cell and in the third one I insert the hook and thread the cord through the canvas and the loop I made. And now I just repeat the same thing I did in the first row. I insert the hook in the cell between rows and then keep threading the cord to repeat the same pattern. And that's how it should look. At the end of the row, again, I cut the thread and for the beginning of the third row, I decided to connect my cord like this with the help of the match. Just make sure you wait until it's not hot anymore and holds tight. So now I will start my every new row by connecting the cord like that. And with rows like this, I have to come parts of the bag. I used the same technique and pattern. I finished threading all my rows and that's how the completed canvas looks. And by the way, the inside part also looks nice. In the next video, I will show how I assemble the bag and hide the ends.
Making a new beautiful design for a plastic mesh bag. In my last video, I showed how to thread the cord to make such pattern. And now I will assemble the bag. But first, I will hide the ends. I'm threading my hook through 5-6 loops from the bag. Then grab the tip and thread it through all these loops. I'm cutting off the remaining tip and then light it up a bit with a match. So the tip of the cord will melt a bit and I will carefully press it to the back side. Like this, the cord stays tightly fixed, so I will hide all my ends by using this method. And now I will start assembling the bag. I will connect side parts to the main part by threading the cord 2 times in each cell from one and another side. And then I did the same thing for the open edges. I thread my cord 2 times in each cell. For the next step, I sewed on the handle mount. I sewed it on both sides and added my 120 cm chain. For the final step, I added my magnetic lock, so my beautiful plastic mesh bag is ready now. I'm really happy with the result, but what do you think about it?